Has someone ever told you that building wealth is not for you? Or that it's only for the rich? Well, they lied. They made you believe that building wealth is only for the lucky, the genius, or the already rich. But what if I told you it's easier than you think? Yes, because the real secret to building wealth isn't money, it's strategy. And in this video, we are unlocking the hidden truths about wealth building that most people overlook. We will break down the mindset, habits, and the opportunities that can turn your financial dreams into reality. And guess what? All of this is going to be without a lottery ticket. Stick around till the end, because once you see how simple wealth building can be, you will never look at money the same way again. The wealth mindset. Before you even touch a dollar, wealth begins in your mindset. There are way too many people who believe that wealth is only for the privileged or the lucky. And we're so tired of hearing it, because the reality is that wealth is built through consistent habits, smart financial choices, and patience. So, if you see money as something that only comes and goes, you will always be chasing it. So now is the time to start viewing money as a tool that grows over time. That is how you can start making decisions that align with long-term financial success. The truth is that wealth is not just about how much you make. It's about how you manage what you have. A person earning $50,000 a year but saving and investing wisely can accumulate more wealth than someone earning $150,000 but spending recklessly. Myths debunked. There are so many myths revolving around building wealth, and honestly, it's tiring now. Many people hold misconceptions about wealth that prevent them from even trying to build it. So let's clear some of these myths up. If someone has ever told you that you need a high income to be wealthy, then hold their hands while telling them that it's not true. Because there are so many millionaires that started with average salaries and now they have a fortune worth millions. And that's only through disciplined saving and investing. I am sure you have must heard about this next one, which is that investing is too risky. Well, it is, but keeping all your money in a savings account is actually riskier because of inflation. So smart investing reduces risk and increases wealth. Perhaps now is a good time to start smart investing. And if you are one of those people who think that they don't have time to build wealth, well, now is the time to change it, because the earlier you start, the better. And it's never too late. Even small steps that you can take today can lead to big results over time. The Big Four. Now that we have established that building wealth is not about luck, let's look into the strategy. Okay, so there are 4 key factors, the Big Four, that determine how quickly you can become wealthy. So, of course, the first one is going to be how much you invest each year, because the more you invest, the faster your wealth will grow. For this, you can cut unnecessary expenses and increase income streams to free up more money for investing. If you have a 9-to-5 job, you can look into passive income ideas and easily increase your income streams. The second factor is your average annual investment returns. If you have kept your money stuffed under a mattress, that's obviously going to lose its value because, of course, there's inflation. But if you choose to invest in stocks, bonds, or even real estate, it will allow your money to work for you, compounding over time. So you can choose the option that is giving you the highest return and enjoy the benefits. The third factor is your retirement budget. So the less you need to spend in retirement, the less money you will need to accumulate. You know what that means? Cutting down on your current expenses can make financial independence much easier to achieve. And the last and the most important one is your consistency over time. Even if you start small, steady investing builds massive wealth. So the key to building wealth is to stay committed regardless of short-term market fluctuations. The paycheck-to-paycheck trap. Many people often get stuck in the cycle of earning, spending, then waiting for the next paycheck, and then again earning, spending, and waiting for the next paycheck, and it becomes an endless cycle. But if you want to build wealth, you have to break free from this trap. And here's how you can do it. First of all, you have to increase your income. You can start looking for higher paying jobs or just start a side hustle. Maybe get into content writing, drop shipping, or any easy side hustle that doesn't consume much of your energy. Or you can develop valuable skills that can increase your earning potential. Then, of course, you have to reduce your expenses as well. You can do that by tracking your spendings and eliminating unnecessary costs, because the lesser you spend, the more money you can invest. Then you can invest the difference, because every extra dollar that you save is going to be working for you, either in stocks or a retirement fund or even in other assets, but it's going to pay you back. The magic of compounding. Now, one of the biggest secrets to building wealth is compound interest. Okay, let me put it simply. Your money earns interest, and that interest also earns interest, leading to exponential growth. Okay, let's say you start with $435,000 at the age of 18. You invest it and never add another dollar to it, but you can still end up with over $10 million by the age of 65. But if that opportunity is lost, then even if you start with nothing at the age of 22, but consistently invest $5,000 a year, you can build a portfolio worth over $1.3 million by the age of 65. So just start investing as early as possible and stay consistent with it, because even small contributions grow significantly over time. Developing wealth building habits. You may not realize it, but your daily habits determine your financial future. So if you want to start building wealth, these are some habits inspired by wealthy individuals that you can implement in your life. Start tracking your net worth, because knowing where you stand financially keeps you accountable and motivated. Another habit one should always process is living below your means. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should spend more as well. Just spend on your necessities and put the rest of the amount in your savings account. And now that we're talking about savings, you should set up automatic transfers to savings and investments account, because that is going to help you a lot. And lastly, you have to invest in yourself as well, because learning new skills and improving your knowledge can significantly increase your earning potential. Building wealth has been complicated so much for no reason, and it's literally so simple. All you have to do is earn money, because obviously the foundation of wealth is income. Whether through a job, side business, or investments, you do need a steady cash flow. Then you have to save and invest. You can save a portion of every paycheck, and then you can invest those savings. And then, of course, one of the most important things is avoiding bad debts, because high-interest debts, like credit cards, can literally eat away at your financial progress. You can focus on paying off bad debts and use good debts, like a mortgage. Another crucial factor is understanding taxes, because the more you know about taxes, the more money you can keep. You can take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts, like the 401k, and help yourself. And when it comes to investing, you should diversify investments. So don't put all your money in one place. A mix of stocks, real estate, and other assets can reduce risk, maximize long-term growth, and make an efficient portfolio for you. Wealth building is not complicated. It's about making small, smart choices every day that add up over time. The only thing standing between you and success was knowing how. And now you've got the blueprint. So, are you ready to take advantage of it? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you can stay in the loop and never miss out on any of our videos. Subscribe now. See you in the next video.